International Project Competition, VISAI, which in Tamil means the impelling force or energy, is the brainchild of our beloved founder and Chancellor, Colonel Professor Dr. Vel R. Rangarajan, with the objective to provide a platform to inculcate a culture of product innovation and a mindset of problem solving, enabling students to come up with innovative solutions, opportunity for startups, and collaborative research. The exhibition brings together technical institutions across the globe and creates an international forum for futuristic engineers to exhibit their innovative ideas and to convert into products, improvise the technical skills as required by the industries. We at Vailtech are very proud and jubilant to conduct this event as a celebration every year coinciding with the birthday of founder and chancellor on 24th of Feb. Vailtech have launched this nationwide initiative since 2011 as a way of spotting and rewarding the finest engineering graduates of our country by offering the students with real-world engineering challenges in the form of student projects. Over the period 2011 to 2021, VISAI Forum had been inviting from a simple technical level of stream-wise student projects to the highest level of meeting, the Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, or Global Goals, a collection of 17 interlinked global goals designed to be a blueprint to achieve a better and more sustainable future for all. Over the period 2011 to 2021, the theme concept of the VISAI has evolved progressively from conventional theme-wise projects to meeting challenges at the national level and as on a date to a global level, striving to meet the goals set by UN General Assembly. During the initial period, that is from the year 2011 to the year 2016, VISAI Forum invited projects from the students in the conventional streams such as mechanical stream, electrical stream, computing stream, and biochemical stream. From 2017 onwards, deviating from the conventional practice of inviting projects under the different streams such as mechanical, computer science, electrical, etc., VISAI started inviting projects under various themes of national importance such as agriculture, clean water, energy, environment, information communication and technology, transportation, infrastructure and manufacturing, aligning with National Grand Challenges or Atal Grand Challenges as set forth by Niti Aayog, National Institute for Transforming India by the Government of India.
So I would like to first congratulate Vailtech University and Vailtech College. Congratulate you all. When I was going across and talking to all team members, I was not lenient with them. I was giving them a huge pushback. The reason is I want you to go back and think. So you should be the source when it comes to Insta for me, especially good cases of innovation, good videos, doing some wow stories, very positive stories, and we want that. Okay?
From the year 2020 onwards, taking the cue from the UN General Assembly that adopted the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development that includes 17 Sustainable Development Goals to transform our world, VISAI invited projects under 8 themes out of 17 SDGs, namely Theme 1, Affordable and Clean Energy, Theme 2, Clean Water and Sanitation, Theme 3, Climate Action, Theme 4, Industry, Innovation and Infrastructure, Theme 5, Life Below Water, Theme 6, Life on Land, Theme 7, Responsible Consumption and Production, and finally Theme 8, Sustainable Cities and Communities. Considering the present COVID-19 pandemic in the current year 2021, a challenging year for the entire world, VISAI 2021 will be conducted through an online platform, thus avoiding mass gathering. All the stakeholders shall get connected virtually through the online platform that will provide an ease of access to conduct the event and to maintain the legacy of Visai on our endeavor of providing a sustainable innovation ecosystem. Here's a glance of Visai activities from the year 2011-2020. Every year, 3 best projects in each stream were selected by a panel comprising of industry experts drawn from reputed leading industry and institutions in India for various awards. Many of the leading industries and research institutions from which the industry experts participated as jury in Visai. Every year, more than 200 students exhibit about 100 projects under different themes. Prizes worth about 1.5 lakh rupees are distributed to the best 3 projects of each theme, as well as 10 consolation awards and 10 surprise awards, deserving appreciation based on other criteria such as best design, best interdisciplinary, and best teamwork. From 2019 onwards, apart from the conventional prizes selected by the jury on the first date, the participating students, who were more than 200 students from 25 to 41 technical institutions, were also actively involved in the assessment of projects on the second day. Each project team was given Visai money of 1,000 rupees. All the project teams visited all stalls except stalls of their own institution and distributed Visai money, and the top 3 teams which collected maximum amount were also awarded by the chief guest. This gave an opportunity to all students to understand and appreciate projects which covering a wide range of disciplines and domains of emerging areas ranging from robotics, data analytics, artificial intelligence, automation, disaster management, etc., which were displayed by various institutions from different parts of the country. Apart from this, the projects ideally suited for startup, funding schemes, or patents were identified and guided and supported appropriately by Whaltech Technology Business Incubator. As Visai grew in its stature, preparing the students in meeting the challenges from national level to global level. On this great occasion, we would like to thank the Whaltech management, industry partners, industry experts, academic institutions, students, faculty members, Whaltech TBI, media partners, and all the stakeholders for their continued support and guidance. Visai will continue forever to bring the culture of innovations and entrepreneurship and fulfill the Atmanirbhar Bharat with the aim of making the country and its citizens independent and self-reliant.